Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. I am Lolita Bakay from Philippines, province of Cagayan. I am 31 years old. My highest educational background is a high school graduate. I am also a hardworking and dedicated mom of four kids, including a 5 years old twins, a 12 years old girl, and a 9 years old boy. I also worked in Kuwait before as a DH/nanny for 2 years, since 2022-2024. My main duty there is to take good care and focus for their newborn baby. I am the one who feed her and take a bath with her and look for her. I also do household chores like washing, cleaning, ironing, and do marketing. I am a trustworthy, reliable, and hardworking and easy to learn person. I am willing to learn to cook a Cantonese or Chinese food for you, madam. I, I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.